Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to express the single log term into a few separate log terms. Here I got a series of examples, A until O. Before I start, we will look at these laws of log. We're going to use these three laws to separate those log terms into separate terms of log. The first one is the log mn. If we have a multiplication of m and n inside the log, we can split them into the log m plus log n. Split them into two separate terms. And if the operation is division, for example, m over n, then we can split them into log m minus log n. And the next one is if we have a log a power of b, we always can move the b to the front, and now the b becomes the coefficient of the log, so we have a b log a. Let's look at the question A. If we have a log pq, now I'm going to separate them in terms of p and log q, because the instruction is expressed in terms of log p, log q, and log r. So I have a log p and pq. I can split them by using the first laws, that is writing the log pq into the log p plus log q. If we have a log p, q, r, means that they are p multiplied by q multiplied by r. We always can write them in the form in terms of the log p plus log q plus log r, provided all the log having the same base with the base original log. Look at the C. Now the operation is division. We always can write the log p over q in terms of log p minus log q. When the operation is multiply, then the operation here should be addition. If this is a division, then over here will be subtraction. Now we have a combination of multiply, which is a p multiplied by q, and divided by r. So when we want to split them, we can have the log p plus log q, because the operation over here is multiply. So this will be addition. And for the r, we are going to subtract log r, because the operation between the pq is in the r, so pq over r, so this one will be the negative. Next example, since this operation between the p square and q is a multiply, then we can split them into log p square plus log q. Ln, and the operation, because the instruction is asking you to write in terms of log p and log q, so I will make this, I'll move this 2 to the front, become the coefficient now. So I got the 2 log p plus log q. The next one is log p. This one multiply each other, p multiplied by square root of q. So when you split them, you can write log p plus log square root of q. And since the instructions say in terms of p, q, and r, so I will make this square root into the power of 1 over 2. Then finally move the 1 over 2 to the front using the third laws of log. You got 1 over 2 log q. Similar to the previous question, we will focus on the operation between the p, q, and r. So we have a p square multiplied by q cubed over r. When we split them, it should be log p square plus log q power of 3 minus log r. And now I move the 2 to the front. I got my log p, 2 log p plus 3 log q and minus log r. This example is slightly different from the previous question. I need to convert the third into power of 2 first, then move 1 over 2 to the front. Next step, I will split the log q over r into log q minus log r. And lastly, you can just leave your answer like that, or you want to multiply 1 over 2 by the log q and 1 over 2 by the log r. Let's try this question. You always can pause my video and take attempt first for this question. Alright, and then after that you can on back the video to see the solution. Alright, for this question I will see that the q power of n multiplied by p multiplied by r power of 3. So we'll say that all are multiplied, meaning that when we split them we need to deal with the operation addition. Okay. And then now the power we can move to the front by using the third laws of logarithm. And the same as the power of 3, it will become the coefficient 3 and 3 log r, just like that. This is the same question, similar question. Just split them because by addition. Because p power of n multiplied by q power of n. So just split them just like that by using addition, and n you move to the front become coefficient of log p, and n move to the front become coefficient of the log q. This is also the same, log q. Because of the division we are using minus over here, minus log r squared, and since we want in terms of log q and r, so move the 2 to the front, you got the 2 log r. Alright, this question, I'm going to split them between the q multiplied by square root of 1 plus r, so split these two, log q plus log square root of 1 plus r. Then I'm going to convert this square root into the power of 1 over 2. So I have a log 1 plus r power of 1 over 2. And after that, I have plus 1 over 2 log 1 plus r. And the log 1 plus r cannot be simplified anymore, just leave it like that. This question, stay log with the ln because of the ln is by the log base of e. So we are using the same laws. Alright, and we have a log q cubed minus log p r squared. Okay, because of the division we are using minus. So sorry, this one will stay with the ln. And after that, I'm going to split this. This stay with the log q, 3 log q, I move the 3 to the front, minus. Then to split this, put a bracket over here, I got the log p plus log r squared. And after that, this negative will take effect on the side over here. I got my negative log p, negative multiplied by positive, negative, and the 2 we can move to the front. Then now we have a 2 log r. Alright, then for this question, because of the p squared is multiplied by q plus r, so I got my log p squared plus log q plus r. And then move to the 2 to the front, I got log 2 log p. Since the log q plus r, there is no any laws can split them, just let them stay with the log q plus r. This is the last example in this video. So the operation between the e squared p and the q minus e, all they are multiply each other. To split them, we just write log e squared, put the addition between them. I got my log p plus log q minus e. And then what can simplify is the 2 move to the front. You got the 2 log e, where the log e equals to 1. So 1 multiplied by 2, there remain 2. And we have a log p plus a log q minus e. Thank you for watching.